guys, I'm Kate.
I'm Jess.
And we are
the Millie Twins. And welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to be introducing you to our 1.5-year-old mini Hon and Lop, Bun Bun.
We are both graphic designers and illustrators. And we have a freelance business called Mainly Designs. We recently launched a subscription box called Bunny Fun Box, which is a box for bunnies and the ones who love them. And we include all our illustrations in there. And when we're packing the boxes and getting them together, we like to have our Bun Bun downstairs with us, but we don't really have
a safe work
environment for him to just free roam. So this is why we bought this. Inside the box we have a bunny playpen for him to just play around and just to be with us when we're working. So we looked at a couple different companies and the at different sizes that each company had, and we wanted to go with one that fit the workspace area that we were working in. And he free roams in our room and in certain parts of the house, but just not in the work area. So let's open this and see how easy or hard it is to
set up.
Yeah, set up. Oh, okay, there we go.
Okay.
Okay, that was on. Alright, so we got a blue one.
They come in various colors, but we just chose blue because
okay. The brand name of this one is Playmaker. And let's see. Okay, alright.
Whoa, watch your elbows, man.
Alright.
Wow.
Okay. I'm just trying to figure this thing all out. Okay. It really doesn't look that hard to set up. It's just like you just.
Oh no! You have it upside down. Wait, you have it up? No, I know you don't. Oh, it has zipper on top.
So this is upside down. I'm gonna flip it, and this is how it's supposed to go. But yeah, so this is the playpen for our Bun Bun.
Alright, so here's his little potty box. We're gonna put in there. So
just scoping out the area.
So this is our Bunny Fun Box subscription box that you can get through bunnyfunbox.com. We are currently distributing our Valentine's boxes. The toys we incorporate in the box mostly are Oxbow Enriched Life toys. So these were toys that we previously had in our Winter Wonderland Fun Box back in January. So we just had some extras left over.
So this is a fun wooden chew toy, and you can hang it in your bunny's cage, but we're just gonna lay it down for him. We have one already up hanging in his cage upstairs. And this Timothy haymat you have here. I'm gonna give that to open up the scissors. Snip, snip. And then just give it to him right there. So this brand is Playmaker from Chewy.com. They advertise it as a playpen that fits a medium dog, but it costs $32 online, and it has zippers on the top, bottom, and sides. It is 42 inches round and 25 inches high. If you're traveling, it folds nice and flat in the carry bag that we have here. And yeah, it's just a great way to have your bunny with you.
So overall, we really think this play area will be suitable for our bun. I think it's pretty spacious for him to just roam around in.
size.
So if you need a area or like some kind of like
Place to put your bunny while you're working or just want company, Playmaker is definitely a good choice.
mhm. So if you like this video and want to see more, please like and subscribe down below. We have many various videos on dancing, more reviews, unboxing. So
But that's it for now.
for Bun Bun,
And I'm Kate.
I'm Jess,
And we are the
the
Melee
Melee Twins. See you next time.